Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate remote desktop in Windows 11 detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate remote desktop in Windows 11, first, click on the Start menu. In the search bar, type Settings and open the Settings app. Once in Settings, navigate to the System section on the left sidebar. Scroll down and select Remote Desktop. In the Remote Desktop settings, find the toggle switch for Enable Remote Desktop. Click the toggle switch to turn it on. A confirmation window will pop up. Click Confirm to allow the activation of Remote Desktop. Next, note the name of your PC displayed on this page. This name is what you will use to connect remotely. Optionally, for added security, click on Advanced Settings. Here, you can enable network-level authentication. This setting requires users to authenticate before they connect. Now, return to the Remote Desktop Settings page. Scroll down and click on Select Users that can remotely access this PC. In the User Accounts window, click Add. Type the username of the user you want to grant access to. Click OK and then close to exit the User Accounts window. To ensure your PC is ready for remote access, check your firewall settings. Open the Start menu again and type Windows Firewall. Select Windows Defender. Scroll through the list and ensure Remote Desktop is checked for both private and public networks. If it's not checked, enable it and click OK. Your remote desktop setup is now complete. You can connect from another Windows device using the Remote Desktop Connection app. Simply enter the name of your PC and click Connect. Log in with the username and password you set up. Now you can access your Windows 11 PC remotely with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.